Standard 9 Skill Development, Live English and Translation, Online Shopping, Part 4th of 5. Hello friends, if you like this video, please like, comment, share this video to your friends. Subscribe our channel and tap the bell to receive notifications about all new videos. Standard 9 Live English Question 7th A Live English 5 marks Part 4th of 5. Online shopping in 5 easy steps. Section 6 Skill Development. Question 7th A Live English 5 marks. A. Read the following conversation between two cousins. Tejaswini. Hi Santosh. What are you thinking about? Santosh. Hi Teju. Next week's Didi's birthday. We want to give her a surprise gift. Tejaswini. Great idea. What is your surprise gift? Santosh. Well, we do not have any big shops where there is little to choose from. Nothing new or surprising. Tejaswini. So, why don't you try online shopping? Santosh. It is safe. Tejaswini. Yes, it is. If you take proper care, it is one of the most convenient way of shopping. Plus, you will get so much variety. Santosh. True, but I don't know how to do it. Tejaswini. It's okay. I will show you. Do you have an internet connection? Santosh. Yes. Tejaswini. That's good. Then we can do it in 5 easy steps. Let's start. Online shopping in 5 easy steps. B. Write in a step-by-step manner how Tejaswini and Santosh bought a gift for Didi online. Step first. Sign up, register, sign up and create your account. Answer. Step first. Tejaswini and Santosh made registration by signing up and created their account. Step second. Choose, browse and select the product of your choice from the given categories. Step 2. Second. They search or browse and selected the product of their choice from the options. Step 3. Add to cart. Add your product to the cart. Step 3. Third, they added the selected product to the cart. Step 4. Pay the total amount via online banking, debit card or pay cash on delivery. Step 4. Fourth, they paid the amount through online banking, debit card or paid cash on delivery. Step 5. Take delivery. Check your product when it is delivered to you. Step 5. They check the product when delivered. Standard 9 Translation. Question 7b, translation 5 marks, part 4th of 5. Question 7b, translation 5 marks. A. Translate the following words into your mother tongue. 1 mark. First, miracle. Second, infinite. Answer: miracle, jadoo. चमत्कार. Second, infinite, अनंत, असीम. B. Translate the following sentences into your mother tongue. 2 marks. First, life is great gift. Second, truth is the true religion. Answer: जीवन ही एक महान देणगी होय. जिंदगी एक महान उपहार है. सेकंड, सत्य हाच खरा धर्म आहे. सत्य ही सच्चा मजहब है. C. Translate the following sentences into good English. 2 marks. First, नेहमी आशावादी असावे. हमेशा आशावादी बने रहे. सेकंड, प्रामाणिक प्रयत्न व्यर्थ जात नहीं. ईमानदारी से की गई कोशिशें बेकार नहीं जाती. आंसर: ऑलवेज बी ऑप्टिमिस्टिक. सेकंड, सिंसियर एफर्ट्स डू नॉट गो वेस्ट.